Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to hard reset your iPhone 6 Plus. But before we get into the video, I have a giveaway for an iPhone 11. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, drop a like on the video, and leave a comment down below. The giveaway winner will be announced once I hit 50,000 subscribers. So the faster I hit that, the faster one of you will win the iPhone 11. So spread the word and get more people to subscribe for a better chance to win the iPhone 11. I hope one of you guys win it. And let's get right back into the video. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is make sure your lock button's working and your home button works. So you're going to want to do is hold the lock button and the home button at the same time till your phone completely turns off, and then once it hits the Apple logo you can let go. If this video has helped you guys out, make sure you leave a comment, a like, and subscribe to the channel. This shouldn't take too long. And there you guys go, your iPhone 6 Plus has been hard resetted.